Hey guys, so this is a client who is getting a silk press for the fourth time. You can see her curls are still intact. A lot of you feel like silk presses are your hair won't revert, but that's not true. It depends on the treatments. It depends on the health and condition of your hair. While she doesn't come every 2 weeks, she does come often enough throughout the year for us to catch things like her ends splitting and stuff like that. She's very aware of it at home and she does a lot of the things that I tell her to do. But we wanted to get rid of a lot of this dead hair. Side note, I am having a class, a silk press class called How to Silk Press Type A Hair without heat damage. If you want the link to pick up your tickets for that, drop keyword silk press in the comments below. Early bird is happening right now and it's selling out quick. So if you want the link to those tickets, it's virtual. Drop silk press in the chat. And as you, because this is really how she acts in real life. She was so hyped up because she was going to a party later on or whatnot. But yeah, this is the finished result. Drop a fire emoji if you love her results. And she is a fine hair queen. So let me know your thoughts.